For this question, we have three parts. The first one is to let us find y prime by implicit differentiation. So for the first equation, we differentiate both sides, and it becomes 18x minus 2y times y to the prime equals to 0. Then we want to find y to the prime, so we move 18x to the right. Then we find y to the prime equals 9x over y. The second part of this question is to let us solve the equation explicitly for y and differentiate to get y to the prime in terms of x. So for the first equation, we want to find y, then differentiate the y. So we move 9x squared to the right. Then we find y squared equals to 9 times x squared minus 1. Then we take the square root out. We find y equals to square root of 9x squared minus 1. Then we take the limit of y. Then we get y to the prime equals to 9x over square root of 9x squared minus 1. The third and the final part of this question is to let us check that your solutions to part A and B are consistent by submitting the expression for y into your solution for part A. So in the part A, we get y to the prime equals to 9x over y, and in part B, we get y to the prime equals to 9x over square root of 9x squared minus 1. As we have found in part B that y equals to square root of 9x squared minus 1, so we just submit y, the expression of y, into this, and we get the solutions we found in A and B is equal. We also have the second equation, and we can solve them using the same idea. So this is the second equation. We first transfer it into this form. 2x to the minus 1 minus y to the minus 1 equals to 4. Then we take the limit, we differentiate for both sides. And it becomes minus 2 times x to minus 2 plus y to minus 2 times y to the prime equals to 0. Then we move x part to the right of the equation. Then we can get y to the prime equals to 2 times x to the minus 2 over y to the minus 2. And that is the part A. So for the part B, we find y first, and we take the we differentiate y later. So first we move 2 over the x to the right. Then we rearrange the equation. Then the right part is 2 over x minus 4. We want to combine 2 over x and 4. We transfer 4 to 4x over x. Then the right side becomes 2 minus 4x over x. Then we times both sides by, we use 1 divided by the both sides of the equation. Then we get y equals to x over 2 minus 4x. Then we differentiate both sides. We use substitution.